Hi everybody, today I'm going to guide you through how to use Picovoice's Leopard speech-to-text. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to want to grab our access key from the Picovoice console and then go to a blog post in order to download our model. You can just click this right here and it'll be called leopard_params.pv. Download that to any file in your computer. From there, you're going to want to create a Leopard speech-to-text React project, and you do this by making a directory and cding into it. I've called mine leopard-stt for speech-to-text. We're going to want to initialize a new node.js project, and speaking of which, if you haven't already, please go ahead and download Node. And there we go, now that's initialized. We're going to want to install Leopard Web. Cool. From there, we're going to want to create a new JavaScript file, and we're going to call it index.html. Inside here, we're going to copy and paste the code from our GitHub. I'm going to walk you through a little bit of it though. So the first thing we're going to want to do is install everything that we need. Then we're going to want to create functions for the start button. And here you're going to need to get that access key that you just copied. So I'm just going to put that in. Then you're going to want to create another function for the transcribe. And then you're going to have a couple functions just to write the audio and get the audio data. Save that. And we're going to run. Make sure you have an HTTP server installed. And run. This is the Leopard demo transcription. And there we have it. Visit Picovoice AI for more tutorials.